Hey, que la que hay, mi gente? It's Rocky here from SpeakSpanishFaster.com, and in today's video, I want to share with you a brand new technique, a little hack that you can use that can help you on your Spanish learning journey. Basically, this is going to help you consume more Spanish. All right, so I'm going to share my computer screen with you in just a second, but first, let's kind of address the problem. Like, what does this new hack or tool, what does it solve? All right, so the problem that many people may have is that when they are, let's say, listening to podcasts, listening or watching some content on YouTube, sometimes there won't be any subtitles or there won't be any transcription. So if you hear something that you don't understand, it's kind of hard to decipher what is being said, right? If a word is being said and you don't even know what word that is to be able to search what it means. So long story short, while podcasts are like one of the best forms of input that you can receive. I love long form podcasts, especially for people that are a little more advanced. But the reason why podcasts are more for advanced students, like an all Spanish podcast, I'm talking about a Spanish language podcast, is because number one, there's no transcript, right? So you have to really use just your hearing ability, your listening comprehension ability. That's the only way you're going to be able to understand what's being said. But sometimes there might be some words that you've never heard before, and you just don't even recognize the word to be able to look it up. So this tool is a little fix. So I'm going to share my screen with you. Now, the first thing you should do is go to Google and search Amazon S3, and then just click the first link that comes up. Now, we have used Amazon S3 before on this channel when I showed you how to use Amazon Poly. All right, so this will be using another tool on Amazon S3. I'm pretty sure you can start a free account. They have a free tier. So that's what I have, or maybe I might pay, but I might pay like $1.99 a month for, this is kind of like a cloud hub that you can use to store information and store files and stuff like that. But I primarily use it just for the other tools that they have. And I'm pretty sure you can use all these on the free version. So what you want to do, you can either search up here for the services or go to Amazon Transcribe. Okay, so we're going to go to Amazon Transcribe. That's going to take you here. Now this is going to say create a job. Don't worry about creating a job. Just go to this button right here, Amazon Transcribe, and we're going to create a transcript. All right, so now we are here on the real-time transcription page. And what we're going to do here, the first thing is we are going to go here and pick Spanish. So we go to language settings and we pick Spanish. All right, now another thing you can do is if there's multiple speakers, you could turn on speaker identification, because what that's going to do is it's going to have like speaker one and it'll show you the transcription of what that person's saying. And then when it switches and you have speaker two, it'll segment speaker two. So it'll be able to differentiate between speaker one and speaker two. That will be really helpful. But for purposes of this video, I will be the only speaker because we will be using one of my videos that I used in Spanish, or that I did speaking only Spanish, because I don't want to, that's just to mitigate any copyright infringements or anything. But again, you can use this for podcasts, you could use this for movies, you could use this for YouTube, literally any piece of content. All you need is somebody that is speaking Spanish, okay? So we're just going to forget the fact that I put subtitles on my videos for you guys, and we're just going to pretend that you're consuming a piece of content where there are no subtitles, no transcriptions available, and you need one so that you can be able to make sure you know exactly what is being said. Now, quick disclaimer, this real-time transcription is not going to be 100% accurate like with all AI machines. There's just no way. Humans aren't even 100% accurate. AI machines are doing this on the fly, so it won't be 100% accurate, but it will get you pretty far, all right? So what we're going to do is you have to start streaming before you play the video. So I'm going to start streaming. Hoy vamos a estar hablando de cómo aprender español mediante la repetición espaciada. El español a veces es como tu lugar en un estacionamiento público. Si no lo usas, lo pierdes. La repetición espaciada podría definirse como lo contrario a pasarse la noche previa a un examen tomando café y memorizando grandes cantidades de información. De hecho, apenas una semana después del examen, incluso si lo has aprobado, es más probable que recuerdes la cantidad de tazas de café que necesitaste para sobrevivir a esa noche de estudio, a que recuerdes el contenido de lo que estudiaste. So we will stop it there. I mean, you can see this was pretty accurate. Okay, hoy vamos a estar hablando de cómo aprender español mediante la repetición espaciada. El español a veces es como tu lugar en un estacionamiento público. Si no lo usas, lo pierdes. Notice how it adds the punctuation and everything. I mean, if you would have used YouTube's version of auto-generated subtitles, there would be no punctuation, there would be no capital letters, none of that. So it'd be very difficult to really decipher, right? Because it's just not organized well. This is much more organized, okay? So this is amazing. I love Amazon. And then what you can do is you can copy here. You can copy this. We can stay on Amazon. Let me make this a little bigger now. We can stay on Amazon. You can go to Google Translate, but hey, we're on Amazon. Why not just stay using Amazon? So we'll go to Amazon Translate now, and you can auto, or you can just, it'll be able to verify what language it is. It'll know it's Spanish, and it gives you the translation immediately, all while using the same tool. So now you have this side-by-side document all on one tool, one device. So this is something that I have found to be very, very helpful. I haven't really shared this with anyone. I've been using it for myself. Like I said, that's what I like to do. I like to make sure that I understand how to do these and everything before I share them with you. And yeah, so I'm sharing it with you today. Definitely try this out. Let me know if it works for you. Let me know how you like it. I know sometimes the tech, I'm a real techie person. I'm on the computer all the time, so this is kind of easy for me. But we've had workshops before in the past, or Become a Spanish Speaker workshop, where it was like a live 6-week training. And one of the biggest issues that people had, not issues, but one of the main things that held people back was technology, because not everybody's on the same technological level. And sometimes I assume everybody knows technology and these apps like I do when they don't. So if you're not very familiar with technology, definitely watch the video numerous times, go by step by step. Once you do it a few times, it'll become second nature to you and it will be easy. All right. If you found this video helpful and you're looking to take your Spanish to the next level so that you could speak and comprehend Spanish better, faster, be sure to click the link in the comments. I'll pin it there. Or go to speakspanishfaster.com/YouTube, and that'll take you to a guide where I show you my 3 biggest secrets to learn Spanish faster. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the thumbs up for me. Comment below. Let me know what else you need help with. Last but not least, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss another video. Until next time, I'll see you then.